Hello Kingdom, welcome to What's in the Box Wednesday. I have a very quick unboxing for you guys. Yeah, let's get straight into it. White box, can you guess what it is? Yeah, some of you can see Mizuno. Yeah, I think they changed their boxes for like 2019. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. Always wrapping it hard. Okay, so these are the Mizuno Wave Rider Tech Future. Yeah, these are dope. These are so dope. Just premium materials. I think it's all waterproof as well, something like that. Yeah, no, these are dope. These came out, I think it was last week, the 19th. Make sure you get yourself a pair. I want to shout out Word and Feet for allowing me to unbox his pair. But yeah, you know, can't really go wrong with Mizuno, to be fair.